20th sum 20. See here, stop writing.
Round card is rupees 5.
Rupees 5.
Here and there, then increase the weekly saving by
1.75, correct? So 5 plus 1.75, 6.75. Till you will go till 20.75, correct? First week she saved 5 rupees. Next 1.75, you should add that 6.75. So till 20.75. When it will reach 20.75, that they are asking. So A is equal to 5, D is equal to, directly I wrote, you should write A2 minus A1. Next, N I should find. An is a 20.75. N is equal to, question mark. Last one, same. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now how much is my An? 20.75 is equal to A 5 plus N I don't know minus 1 D 1.75. 20.75 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus N into 1.75. 1.75 N minus 1 into 7.7 minus 1.75. Understood or 5 minus minus 5 will send this side. Minus 5 is equal to 1 point. Now what I will do, see here, 1 point, this will be remaining like this only. N minus 1 into 1.75. Till here everything is same. Now I will send this 5 this side, 20.75, and what is remaining here? N minus 1 into 1.75 is remaining. So 20.75 minus 5, 15.75. 15.75 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. Now what we'll do, we'll send this 1.75 below this. 15.75 by 1.75. Do this. 1575 by 175. Now we'll get the answer. If I do 175 into 9, 175 into 9, if you do, you will get 1575. Correct? You will get 1575. So the answer is 1s are 9s are. Getting or 175 1s are 175 9s are will get 1575. So 1s are 9s are is equal to, now what is remaining here? N minus 1. Okay, so N minus 1 is equal to, N minus 1 is equal to how much? 9. N is equal to 9 plus 1. N is equal to 10. There are many methods. Getting or see, there are many methods. If I see 2 to 3 methods, if I follow one method, it will become complex.